everybody, Saturn Roblox YT here, and today we are not even playing Roblox actually. We are actually playing a laptop and computer game called We Become What We Behold. As you can see, the playtime is 5 minutes. If you want to try this out on your Chromebook or whatever you have, warning, the following program contains scenes of snobbery, rudeness, and mass murder. Viewer discretion is advised. But I'm just going to say this, I'm probably not going to be uploading many Roblox videos because I am playing on a Chromebook and it is very, 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 very crappy. That's all I'm going to say, and let's get into this. Ooh, look at the TV. Ugh, that was a bit loud. We become what we behold. We shape our tools, and then our tools shape us. That definitely makes sense, Marshall. Masturbated! Okay, that's a bit loud. Point and click. Oh, is that a top hat man? Ooh, nice hat! Gross, get a room! Yeah, sorry about that. There's gonna be a lot of loud noises when the TV goes off. What the? Create square attacks!
I'll be back. Huh?
Oh no, that poor guy's face. Should I be worried, boys and girls? What are you talking about? Now he's mad! Good job, Square! I'm gonna try something. Wait, what the? What are these nerds doing now? What do you mean? Is that a cricket? I gotta get the cricket. Cricket! Dang it! You gotta catch him doing something interesting. Got it, game. Or scream. And so watch people get along. I do. Peace is boring. Violence goes viral? What are you talking about? And every story needs a conflict, so what? So what? Give the audience what they want. This is what the audience wants, game! This is what the audience wants! Anyway. Is that blood? Circles hate squares. Stop getting mad. Stop getting mad. We can all calm this down. Now he's fighting. Good job. Good freaking job. Aw, just a normal peep. Got it. I still want to catch that cricket. Did we get him? Little cricket! Crickets! Crickets! Anyway, you gotta get to doing something interesting. But I did, but they moved. Whatever. Squares hate circles. We already know that. Almost everyone hates everyone. Well, because we're just arguing over one square that was strange. Give the audience what they want. Fine, I'll give the audience what they want. I gotta get to doing something. I'm not stupid. Oh no! What happened to him? What happened? Oh, everyone hates everyone. Wait. Oh, there's no one there. Wait, what? What's going on? What? the hell? Oh no! What's going on? Capture him! Capture him! God, the police! God, the freaking police, man! No! Why is everyone? Why? What's going on? Everyone, run for your life! Everyone, run! Put down the shotgun! Put down the shotgun, you! Arrest everyone that's going crazy! Ah! Put down the giant axe that looks like Chucky would use it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop, please! Please, put down the pit! Oh, you laptop on a laptop? What's going on? Be scared, be angry! I don't know what that means! There's too much blood. I'm sorry, but there's too much blood. Oh. Is that it? Well, that was actually a very good game. I thought I'd play this because it's around Halloween time and people are probably putting up their ornaments right now. I'll probably be playing more games soon. And I will... Oh, thank you for playing. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Wait, what's going on? What? Whoa, wait. No, everyone's dead? No, the Cray Square! You can see them right there. I guess these two are the main characters. So my other work, buy my coffee, play this mess. None of them! I will see you on the other side. I will not be playing Roblox like I said at the start of this video. And peace!